Hello students, today we are going to see 11th standard business maths chapter 4 exercise 4.1. First question, convert the following degree measure into radian measure. So first one is 60 degree. What is 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radians. Pi by 180 radians. So we have to change into degree into radians. So 60 is degree is equal to pi by 180 into 60. So 1 0 cancel. Here 6 3s are 18. So pi by 3 radians. And second question, 150 degree. And 150 degree should be convert into radians, means 150 degree into pi by 180. 0 cancel. 5 3s are 15. In 3 table 5 3s are 15. Here 6 3s are 15. So that is equal to 5 pi by 6 radians. Third one, 240 degree. So 240 degree into pi by 180. 0 cancel. In 6 table 6 3s are 6 4s are. So that is equal to 4 pi by 3 radians. And the fourth question is minus 320. Minus 320 into pi by 180. 0 cancel. So here 2 table 9 times. Here 2 table 16 times. So 16 2s are 32 and here 9 only. So that is equal to minus 16 pi by 9 radians. The second question is find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measure. So it is in the radian, we have to convert into degree. So 1 radian is equal to 180 by 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi degree. 180 divided by pi degree. So 180 degree divided by pi. So we have to convert this into degree, means that is equal to pi by 8 into 180 divided by pi. So pi cancel. Here you have to take it as 2 table means 4, 2 table means 90 and 4 again 2 table 2, here 45. So 45 divided by 2 we will get 22.5, that is 45 divided by 2 is equal to 22.5 degree. So that is equal to 22.5 degree. That 5 should be converted into dash, means that is 22.5. The 0.5 multiply this 0.5 should be multiplied by 60. We will get 30. That is 30 dash. That is you have to take it as consider as 22 degree and 30 dash. That is you have to convert into dash. Next question, second one is 9 pi by 5. 9 pi by 5. So we have to multiply 9 pi by 5 into, that is 180 divided by pi, and pi cancel. And here 5 table, if we strike out this one, 5 3s are 15 balance, 3 6 3s are 6 5s are 30. So 36 into 9 we will get 324. So that is equal to 324 degree. And third one is minus 3. So minus 3 should be multiplied minus 3. So you have to multiply by minus 3 into 180 divided by pi. So that is equal to, we have to consider as pi is changed into 22 by 7. So minus 3 into 180 into 22 by 7, put in the reciprocal 7 by 22. And if we simplify this one, we will get, that is here 11 and here 90 into table, and minus 3 into minus 3 into 90 into 7 divided by 11, we will get minus 171.81 degree, minus 171.81 degree, and that 0.8 will be multiplied by 60, if we get 48. So that is equal to minus 171.48 here 71 degree 48 dash. Can you understand, students? The next question is, determine the quadrants in which of the following degrees lies. First one is 380 degree. So this 380 degree lies in which quadrant? We have to find out the quadrant, in which quadrant. So let us consider, this is the axis, x axis, y axis, and this is the first circle, first one is first quadrant, this is first quadrant, and second quadrant, third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant, and up to this, here this is 90 and here 180, 270, one completion is 360. Now let us see, this is 380 degree. So this is convert into 360 degree plus 20 degree is 380 degree. So what is 360 degree? So this is 90, 180 and 270 and one completion is 360. If it is complete 360 and again 20, you have to go like this up to 20. So it is in the first quadrant only. So 380 degree lies in first quadrant. Next one is, second one is minus 140 degree. That is, second one is minus 140 degree. First draw the axis. And this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. Minus 140 should be changed into minus 90 plus minus 50, that is equal to minus 90 degree plus minus 50 degree. Minus 90 minus 50, we will get minus 140. So minus 90 means you have to, minus means you have to take it in the reverse order. So up to reverse means you have to take it as like this. So this is 90 and 50 will become here. So up to this one. So we have to take, that is in the third quadrant. So minus 140 degree is lies in the 140 degree lies in the third quadrant. The third one is 1195 degree. 1195 degree should be split into, we have to take it as that is above 360. This is above 360. So we will take 360 into 3. So if we multiply 3 into 360, we will get 360 into 3. That is, if we multiply that 2, we will get 360 into 3, 0, 6 3s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 10. So 1195, 1080, subtract 5, 1, 1, 115. So we will take 3 into 360 plus, that is 115. This 115 also you have to split into two ways, that is 360 degree plus 90 degree, that is 90 plus we will take 25 degree. Now we have to consider as the check whether 1195 in which quadrant. 363 times. So one completion is 360. So 3 times you have to draw. This is second time 360 completion, and the third time is 360 completion. And then 90 you have to take it as here, and 25 comes in the second quadrant. So here first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. So it is in the second quadrant. So 1195 lies in the second quadrant. Thank you students. Thank you for listening. We will see the next sums in the next class. Thank you.